Do you know how to work that?
Yeah, I'm taking a video right now. I can't get it around fast enough to get a home plate there.
Okay, we're gonna switch catchers.
She's like, what am I doing?
He's like
He's calling balls and strikes. She told him to get out of the way, but he didn't.
Oh.
That was catching ball.